So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the VPN location of any iPhone on any iPhone. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the settings. In the settings, go to this option of VPN right there, and you can see it directly started connecting. And now just simply search for VPN right there as well. And here you'll see a VPN and device management in the general section. Just simply go over there and here select this particular VPN, and here you'll see the device VPN. Just simply press on this I button right there, and here you'll see on this top right corner, go to this option of edit, and once you go over there, here you'll see the server. Now go over the internet and find the server of whatever country that you want to. Just simply paste that server number right there and hit done, and there we go. You have easily changed the VPN location on the iPhone. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.